Let's see how do bioinformatics tools enhance drug target identification. Bioinformatics tools significantly enhance the drug target identification by providing powerful computational approach to analyze large biological data sets. Here are some of the key ways these tools contribute in this scenario. The number one is the target identification from biological data. Bioinformatics facilitate identification of potential drug target by analyzing biological data, thus allowing the scientist and researcher to pinpoint specific genes and proteins associated with diseases. Tools like sequence similarity search, phylogenetic analysis, and in silico expression profiling enable the identification of target candidate in silico. Additionally, integrative data analysis, integrating data from various sources such as gene expression, proteomic, transgenic phenotyping, etc., provide a comprehensive view of potential targets. Bioinformatic approaches can help in understanding the complex metabolic pathways, thus identifying the beneficial metabolite and enhance the target validation. It also helps in prioritizing and validating the target. In-depth analysis of experimental data using machine learning algorithm can also help in predicting the target validity and prioritizing the most promising candidate. Bioinformatics tools position target candidate within the biological network, thus providing functional information to support target validation. And lastly, it also accelerates the drug discovery process. By streamlining the target identification, bioinformatics accelerates the drug discovery process, enabling the researchers and scientists to focus on the most promising target for further investigation. Like virtual screening platform leverages the bioinformatics to identify potential target, thus facilitating the drug repositioning and testing the compound's specificity and toxicity. In summary, bioinformatics tools are indispensable in modern drug discovery, thus enabling the researcher and scientists to efficiently identify, prioritize, and validate potential drug target by leveraging the power of computational analysis of large-scale biological data.